Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to recreate any image on Midjourney. And this is quite simple. First of all, you need to find a picture on the internet that you want to recreate, and we will do this today with this video from Kendrick Lamar. Then we go back to our Discord, and right now it's important to upload this picture in Discord. So we click here on this photo and then we do enter. And right now we see the picture that we want to recreate just right here. Click on this picture, do your right mouse and click on copy link. Then from now we go back by clicking on the left side from the photo. And right now we want to describe, so slash and then describe. Image, click here on this and then select the image, aka the Kendrick Lamar, and then do enter. Right now he is creating 4 types of prompts that we can use for creating recreating our picture. Now, so if you can see, you can try every 4 prompts, but I will try prompt 2. So what you need to do now is we click here on 2 and then we need to change something. Now, if we enter this right now, I can show you what will happen. And if you can see, it looks a little bit like Kendrick Lamar, but we want it better. So what we want to do now is we go back to this prompt again and we click on 2. And right now we click here our mouse and then we do Ctrl V and then do 1 time space. Right now, if we click now on submit, he will create a better picture with the photo that we just uploaded on Discord. Alright, this is getting better. So if you can see, this is the new picture that you can see right here. And if you compare that with this one, it's getting better and better. There is one thing that we need to do now to get the best option for our recreation. And that is now again, click on this prompt. Add again the link of the picture in it with a space. Click your cursor here, do space dash IW, and then after this give it a number between 0.5 and 2, between those two. And how higher you will give the number, how more it looks as the same as the picture that we uploaded. So right now if I do 2, so the maximum, and we do submit, he will recreate seriously one of the best recreation from this picture. So now we will wait. So right now, to be honest, if you see this picture and we go to this picture here left in the bottom, it's so incredible, guys. It's maybe better than the old picture. It's sharper and it looks better, but this is exactly how you can recreate pictures or images on Midjourney. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.